Will email marketing get my domain name blacklisted? Over the past few years, spam filters have become much more strict. This means that for email marketers, we need to be aware of how to maintain a good sender reputation and not engage in activities that may cause damage to our company domain name. A poor sender reputation can lead to your domain name being blacklisted by spam filters. If this happens, it can be really hard to convince them to remove the listing. With a blacklisting in place, it can make life incredibly difficult when it comes to achieving decent inbox placement. A blacklisting pretty much guarantees that your emails will not get through to your recipients. Most email marketers know that the fastest route to getting blacklisted is to use purchased data. These lists are a real no-no nowadays. There are other factors, though, that can contribute towards both a negative sender reputation and a blacklisting. In this video, we're going to take a look at each of the key factors and how to avoid them. Sending unsolicited emails. Sending emails to recipients who have not opted in or consented to receive emails from you can result in spam complaints. Now, this potentially leads to a poor sender reputation and ultimately a blacklisting. High spam complaint rates. If you receive a high volume of spam complaints from your email recipients, this may affect your domain negatively. Managing these complaints is crucial. Sending low quality content. Poorly written or irrelevant content that triggers spam filters can negatively affect your sender reputation. This includes using spammy phrases excessively, capitalization, or misleading subject headlines. Not offering an unsubscribe option. Failing to provide an easy and functional unsubscribe option in your emails can lead to recipients marking your emails as spam. Sending too many emails in a short period. Sending a large number of emails in a short time frame can trigger spam filters. It's important to pace your email campaigns accordingly. Ignoring data protection regulations. Failing to comply with data protection regulations such as GDPR can lead to legal issues potentially and a negative sender reputation. Having poorly maintained email lists. An outdated or unclean list that includes a high number of invalid or non-existent email addresses can harm your sender reputation. Not using email authentication. Lack of proper email authentication, SPF, DKIM and DMARC we're talking about here, can lead to email spoofing and phishing accusations which can result in poor sender reputation. Using URL shorteners. Sometimes these are often associated with spam, and not having direct links can contribute. Failing to monitor and respond to bounce rates. High bounce rates, especially hard bounces, can indicate an outdated or poorly maintained list. To ensure that your domain name isn't blacklisted, it's crucial to follow these best practices for email marketing and maintain a clean and engaged email list. Comply with the legal regulations accordingly. Monitoring your email performance, managing spam complaints, and utilizing email authentication methods can really help to protect and build your sender reputation. Additionally, using reputable email marketing software with built-in compliance and deliverability features can aid to maintain a good sender reputation. Okay, thanks for watching this video today. If you liked it, please don't hesitate to like and subscribe down below or watch some other videos in the series on our channel. Thank you.